Dr. Tony, my mum just had to take a phone call outside.
Ah, Sam, I was hoping to talk to you. Can you tell me what happened to your wrist?
I, like my mum said, I fell down the stairs.
Sam, I'm worried that this might be caused by something else. When I looked at your wrist, I noticed that you have a lot of bruises.
Well, I'm just very clumsy.
Sam, it's very important that you tell me if anyone has done this to you. I'm very worried about you, and the injury to your wrist is serious.
Okay, it was my stepfather. He did it.
What did he do?
He got angry at me. He gets angry a lot, especially now that he has lost his job and spends all of his time drinking at home. When he got angry at me, he grabbed my wrist and twisted it. I asked him to stop, but he wouldn't. And then I heard a crack.
Okay. How long's this been going on for?
A few months. But he never used to be this bad.
What does he do?
A lot of shouting. He shouts all the time.
Has he hurt you before?
He's pushed me around before. I got a few bruises in the past. But nothing like this. This time I was really scared.
Has he ever hurt your mum?
No, they just argue. They've been arguing a lot lately. About his job, about his drinking. But he just won't listen. I don't know what to do. I am scared when Mum leaves me at home, on my own with him. But there is not anything I can do. Sometimes I just lock myself in my room so I feel safe.
Well, I don't think that this situation is working. I'm worried for your safety. You're in danger at home.
I know, but I do not know what to do. I cannot leave my mum, and she will not leave him. She always needs someone with her. I don't think she likes being alone.
I am very sorry, but Sam, right now you're my primary concern. You aren't safe in a house with your stepfather.
I know.
Have you spoken to anyone about this?
No, I can't tell anyone. If I do, he might hurt me more, or worse. He might do something to my mother. Anyway, maybe he just won't do it again.
I'm not happy for you to take that risk. Your wrist is badly broken and bruised. He must have used a lot of force to do this. I'm very worried about you, based on what you've said. I think I need to call the police and Child Protection Services for your safety.
Will they take me away from my family?
They will keep you safe for the time being, but this is a very serious issue. It's quite possible that you could have been more badly injured. You really need to be kept away from your stepfather.
What about my mum?
Right now, you are my number one concern. You're in danger in your house, and I need to protect you from that danger. You shouldn't be living in fear, and what your stepfather is doing is wrong. We can talk to your mum if you want, and offer her help too.
Then what will happen?
Well, they will be able to organise a proper investigation into what's been going on.
All right.
Does anyone else live at home with you?
No, it's just my mum, stepdad, and me at home.
I think that considering the risk that your stepfather poses, we need to contact the police. This really is very serious.
Okay, I understand.
We will also be contacting your GP and telling them what's been going on.
Right, Dr. Tony.
But right now, we'll be keeping you in hospital for your protection until social services can start their investigation. When your mum comes back, we can talk to her about what we've discussed, if you want. Other doctors in our team will be told, and we'll work together to keep you safe. I've also spoken to the consultant in charge, and he'll be responsible for your care.
Yes, Dr. Tony. Thank you for your help.